So I just invested in 7 new altcoins that I believe have a lot of potential to do big numbers this altcoin season. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Over the last week or two, we have seen the price of Bitcoin stabilize between 58,000 and 60,000, and Bitcoin dominance has started falling. If you have been around crypto as long as me, you would know that every time Bitcoin dominance starts falling down in a bull market, the altcoin season is getting ready to start. So I started looking into my portfolio and I realized I wasn't very prepared for the altcoin season that's about to come. I normally hold between 5 and 10 different coins at a time. I do my research on a particular coin and then I invest anywhere between $10,000 and $20,000 in these coins that I believe in long term. But I'm rarely dabbling into these smaller projects that have a lot of potential. Yeah, it is awesome to have $40,000 in Cardano, but if Cardano only goes from $1.20 to $2, percentage wise, that is not a big gain. But some of these other altcoins, they can do 50%, 100% in a single day. So over the last week or so, I have been looking at a ton of different projects, trying to decide which one I want to dabble in and invest some money. And I have picked 7 projects that I think have a lot of potential to put up big numbers this altcoin season. So this morning when I woke up, first thing I did, I started feeling around my bed so I can find my phone and see how the crypto market is doing. And I seen that most of the coins that I was interested in buying were either down 3 to 5% or they were up 3 to 5%. And I'm like, today's the day I'm gonna buy some more altcoins. So I took about $5,500 and I split it between 7 different coins. And now before we switch on over to Atani so you can see exactly what coins I purchased and how much I invested in each coin, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get this video to at least 300 likes, and now let's go on over to see the coins that I think have a lot of potential. Let's go. Alright, so now we are inside of the Atani platform. If you have not heard about Atani, it is an amazing platform that allows you to connect a ton of different exchanges all onto one platform. Best of all, you'll be able to trade from all of these different exchanges on one platform. So if you have Coinbase Pro, Binance.us, KuCoin, and a ton of other ones, but you do not feel like hopping from one exchange to the other in order to purchase coins, you can simply download the Atani platform. Link will be in the description box below, and then you can compare prices from all of those different exchanges on one platform, and you'll be able to make purchases and get the best deals possible. Also, best of all, you'll be able to see your entire portfolio all in one place from all the different exchanges that you have connected. And now let's look at all the coins that I have purchased this morning. So as you can see, I have my Binance account and my KuCoin account connected, but I purchased all of these coins on the KuCoin exchange. So we are going to click on the KuCoin exchange. And now in my KuCoin trading account, it is worth $7,204. Alright, now let's go down the list of all the coins that I have purchased. The first purchase I made was buying 28 coins of Hydra. I invested $1,000 and so far today, my $1,000 is worth $1,326, which is absolutely amazing. Pretty much up almost 30% on my investment. Alright, the second coin that I purchased was BPro. I bought 46,500 coins of BPro, and I also invested $1,000 in this project as well. And now my $1,000 that I invested is $1,053. Another coin that I bought is BTT. I bought 139,000 of this coin, and I also invested $1,000. But it is down for the day, and now my $1,000 is $959. Down on the day, but I think April is going to be a very big month for BitTorrent. The other coin that I purchased is Chills. I bought 2,000 coins, also for $1,000, and now that $1,000 is worth $928. So definitely down on the day on Chills, but I believe it will definitely bounce back. Another coin that I purchased that is doing very well today is DAPP, D-A-P-P-T. I bought 47,454 coins and I invested $500 into this project. And so far today, my $500 is $614, which is pretty sweet. The coin underneath that one is Polkadot. I bought Polkadot for the Double Your Stimulus Check challenge. And so far, Polkadot has been doing very, very well. Personally, I got this tip from Token Metrics. Also, link will be in the description box below. They did a ton of research on Polkadot, and I believe Polkadot is going to have the #3 spot on CoinMarketCap probably in the next 30 days. That is just my personal prediction, and I think Polkadot is an awesome long-term play. So shout out to Token Metrics for this awesome pick. All right, another coin that I bought this morning is Harmony One. I bought 3,000 coins, also invested $500, and now that $500 is worth $475. And then the final coin that I bought today is PundyX. I bought 64,134 coins, and I also invested $500 into PundyX. And right now, PundyX is down, and my $500 is worth $456. The other two coins, Crypto.com and 1inch, those are all from the Double Your Stimulus Check challenge. I will have another update on that challenge in the next video, probably today or tomorrow. I've been lagging on that challenge, but I'll be getting back on it in the next couple of days. And if you look down in the bottom right corner, you will see one of my favorite features about Atani, and it is the tax report. One simple click will download a PDF of my entire tax documents for the KuCoin exchange, which in my opinion is awesome. Atani doing amazing things. Check them out, guys. Link is in the description box below. So now you're probably wondering, yo, Sanad, I thought you were a conservative investor. Why are you dabbling in these risky projects? Guys, my main goal is to make as much money as possible in this bull run with cryptocurrencies. Yeah, I invest in conservative projects like Cardano, Ethereum, VeChain, KuCoin, CRO, and a couple of other ones that I believe have long-term potential. And if you have been following my videos, you will know that when I buy those coins, I invest anywhere between $5,000 and $20,000 into those coins, simply because I believe they are awesome projects and they have a lot of long-term potential. If you saw the portfolio that I just bought, the 7 coins, the total investment was like $5,500. Normally, I invest that much in a single coin. So I am definitely not investing a ton of money in these riskier projects, but I am dabbling in trying to position myself for the altcoin season. But the potential that these coins offer this altcoin season is pretty good. So I'm willing to risk a small amount of money in order to make massive gains this altcoin season. So some of those coins that I dropped $500 or $1,000 in, they can do a 10x, a 20x, even a 100x this altcoin season. So I'm definitely willing to take the risk. So I did not invest a ton of money in these projects, just enough to have some skin in the game. Overall, I think all 7 of these coins that I purchased this morning make about 3% of my entire cryptocurrency portfolio. But who knows, later on I might add to my positions in these coins if I start seeing good results. Also, congrats to all the people that bought DSLA protocol. So far in the last 7 days, it is up over 100%. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, are you holding any of the 7 coins that I purchased this morning? And let me know which one is your favorite. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.